In Practice It Self-Check 4.26 getGrade preconditions, we are asked to consider a method, getGrade, that accepts an integer representing a student's grade percentage in a course and returns that student's numerical course grade. We have the following method right here, and the grade can be between 0.0, which is failing, and 4.0, which is perfect. We need to select all of the preconditions that are appropriate for this method. We can look at these all in order. The order might be shuffled if we're looking at this later, but we have the parameters value must be less than or equal to 100. Since we are dealing with percentages, this would have to be true, and we would probably be able to see that if we were to actually code this method. For B, we have the parameter can be an integer or a real number. We do not have to have this as a precondition. As it says here, it can be between 0.0 and 4.0. So this does not have to be a precondition. For C, we have the parameter must be a letter grade. Well, that doesn't make any sense because we'd be passing in a character and our parameter is a type integer. For D, we have the parameter's value must be between 0.0 and 4.4. This tells us in our instructions the grade can be between this, but not the percentage we're passing in. We are returning the grade. It says that right here. We return the student's numerical course grade. So we are not focused on the course grade, just the percentage. So it can be between 0.0 and it can also be between 100. So this does not have to be a precondition. Therefore, we will not select it. For E, we have the parameter's value must be greater than or equal to 0. This is true. We cannot pass a negative percentage in. If we click A and E for this example, again, if we do it later, it might be shuffled. So it is important to check the actual wording of this. But if we click submit, we have passed 1 out of 1 tests. And this is the answer to this Practice It Self-Check 4.26 problem.